ourselves wanting to share small curations of content with our students. So readings, websites to bring a theme to life. But what that can often result in is a list of items on Blackboard. So I'm going to use a tool called Thinglink to show you how you can make that a richer experience for students. As with anything within the learning episode building, it works really well if you have your content ready on the device that you're working on to build your Thinglink. It will make it nice and quick and easy for you. So you'll see I'm using the free version of Thinglink. I haven't paid for anything here. And all I'm going to do is go to Create. And here I've got lots of different options. If you are a bit techie, the 360 and VR images are absolutely brilliant. The videos work really well too. But I'm going to start with a basic of uploading an image. So this is going to be a Thinglink to support a learning episode for secondary PE students. So I've uploaded my image, which has given me something to kind of hang my hat on, if you like. And what I'm going to want them to do is to explore the curricula of the United Kingdom, sorry. So here we go. I'm going to start by adding a tag. So click on the plus. And for this tag, I want to add text and media. So don't worry about the fact it says no content here. I'm going to focus on the left-hand menu. Because I want to add several things to my Thinglink, I'm going to change the icon. So you can use whatever you like. Let's have a little bit of a star. And I'm going to change the colour of it. And the title of this one is going to be the Isle of Man. I can add a description here if I want to. But actually what I want to do is add some content in for them. So I've got the national curricula for the Isle of Man. I'm just copying and pasting that web address and going back to Thinglink and popping it in. I can add images if I want to, or videos. Just be warned that if you're adding a video using this option, that means it's something that you've already got downloaded onto your computer. If you want to do it as YouTube, then you add it using the button. Now, instead of giving a text prompt, I'm going to use audio. So to do this, I can either upload a file that I already have, or I can record within Thinglink. So I'm going to click the microphone, and that might pop up and say, please allow microphone use, which I've clicked yes, and here we go. The Isle of Man is often forgotten when we're thinking about their national curricula in the United Kingdom. I'd like you to explore the curricula for PE for the Isle of Man and see if you can draw out the essence of how a pupil on the Isle of Man would experience physical education. Click the microphone again when I'm done. The Isle of Man is often... And it's automatically uploaded that audio for me. So I'm going to click done. Make sure my tag's in the right place so I can just drag and drop it. There we go. And I'm going to move on to the next one. So I'll add another tag. I'll add text and media again. I'm going to change the icon. So we went for a star. And I'll change the colour so it's easy to differentiate. This time we're going to go for Wales. So same again, I've got a nice page full of information on the Welsh PE curriculum here. Just adding that in. I'm going to upload my audio again now. I just want you to have a look on the main screen at the moment. You'll see that there is an immersive reader here. So if you are adding lots of text to a Thinglink, this is a really good opportunity for students with any form of SPLD to be able to listen to it if you do just want to use text yourself. But let's upload that audio. There are some really exciting developments in the Welsh physical education curriculum. This site has got lots of different videos, lots of different documents. Have a look through and see if you can see the key themes that are emerging. What is making this new curriculum so exciting? So that's now uploaded for me and I'm going to click done. Now you'll notice I stumbled a bit in that audio. I'm not going to go back and re-record it. We are not video producers. It's not meant to be polished. It's meant to be authentic. So my geography's off. My tag's gone up there. So let's bring this star down to Wales. And then I could add whatever I like to this Thinglink. I'm just going to do one final thing, which is go into settings. I can change the colour scheme if I like, but I'm going to turn on this. I'm going to turn on tag animation. And all that does is give my tags a nice little pulse when a student opens it. So if I look at it now, it's as it is, but if I want to share it, I'm going to go to share. Now I can share the link. We've seen that we can do that before, where we can just pop it into Blackboard, but let's remember how we can embed that item into our Blackboard area to make it that seamless experience for our students. So back to embed. I'm noticing those icons that tell me I can embed it using the HTML code. I'm going to copy it, or I can just click copy code there, it's even quicker. And then back into Blackboard. So I'm already in a learning episode. I'm going to go into build content and item. I'm going to give it a name. And then in here, rather than typing things in, I'm going to go to the third row, bottom right hand to HTML. Click in there, copy and paste that magic code and click update. It's going to go yellow, but that's nothing to worry about. I can make any changes I want to when students can access it and click submit. And then what students will see, if I turn edit mode off, within their learning module, their learning episode, is their Thinglink with that nice pulse to show them that there is something that they want to look at, and they can click through. There are some really exciting developments in the Welsh visual ed. Listen to that audio built into Blackboard, and off they go to explore your resources. So that is Thinglink.